With less than 2 days to go before Samsung unveils its much-anticipated Galaxy S25 series, the excitement is building. Thanks to leaker Evan Blass, we've got a sneak peek at some official marketing materials and some jaw-dropping details about the new features and specs that you won't want to miss. Before we dive into the details, just a quick reminder. There's only 1 day left to enter the $5,000 Samsung giveaway for the S25 launch. Just click the link in the description below, fill in your name and email, and you're in. It's completely free to enter, so don't miss out. Alright, now let's talk about those leaked marketing materials. There's a lot to unpack, so let's break it down. First up, Galaxy AI. Samsung is really doubling down on integrating AI into this new series. Galaxy AI isn't just some gimmicky add-on, it's packed with features designed to make your daily tasks smarter and more efficient. From personalized daily briefings to YouTube video summarization, this is next-level stuff. One cool feature that's getting a lot of attention is the YouTube Notes tool, which automatically generates a text summary of YouTube videos and saves it directly into your Samsung Notes app. Talk about convenience. And if you're a music lover, there's a music identification feature, so you can instantly figure out what song is playing whether it's on your device or in your surroundings. Now, let's talk about the camera. The S25 series is all about capturing stunning photos and videos with the help of AI. The standout feature here is Night Video with Audio Eraser. This feature uses AI to reduce 2 types of noise: video noise, that graininess you get in low light, and audio noise, like background sounds that can ruin your recording. So, whether you're shooting at night or in a crowded environment, you'll get clear, vibrant footage. And, of course, we've got AI-enhanced selfie cameras too. Expect lifelike selfies with natural skin tones and textures. Now, let's break down the specs. The Galaxy S25 comes with a 6.2-inch display, the S25 Plus has a 6.7-inch screen, and the S25 Ultra features a massive 6.9-inch display. And of course, these are all Super AMOLED screens, so expect vibrant, crisp visuals. Battery life is looking solid too. The S25 will feature a 4000 mAh battery, the S25 Plus gets a 4900 mAh cell, and the S25 Ultra will pack a 5000 mAh battery, so you'll have plenty of power to keep you going all day. Let's talk about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the crown jewel of the series. It comes with a massive 200 megapixel main camera and the S Pen bundled in the box. Only the Ultra model gets the S Pen, which is perfect for all you note-takers, doodlers, and power users out there. Plus, it'll come with Samsung's flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, so expect blazing fast performance. Another big highlight is Samsung's integration of Google Gemini AI. This AI will work alongside Samsung's own Bixby to make your device smarter, especially when it comes to voice commands and automation. You'll also get cool new features like Smart Switch, which helps you easily transfer everything from photos to apps to your new device. No more worrying about losing your data when you upgrade. We also got a look at a leaked promo video, and wow, does the S25 Ultra look amazing! It showcases those AI features we just talked about, with a particular focus on the new audio eraser and improved mic mode, which will make your videos sound even clearer. These features are going to be game changers for content creators and anyone who loves sharing videos. Whether you're shooting in a noisy environment or recording in low light, these tools are going to elevate your video experience. So, what do you think? Are you as excited as we are for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series? The new AI-powered features, enhanced cameras, and overall performance are setting this series up to be a real powerhouse. Don't forget to enter the $5,000 Samsung giveaway linked in the description below, and hit that like button if you're excited for the launch. Drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear what feature you're most excited about. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.